Baby, what are you doing, baby? You like red color? Red color, right? You like red color? This beautiful color, like your tail is red color also. Do you want to play with your chair? Hey, baby? Do you want to play with this chair? It's red color. You like it? Enjoy your night time to play. Bibi, Bibi, Bibi boy, Bibi walk. Bibi find something interesting. This is your little bird. Your food. You know this is your food, Bibi? It's a nutri bird. Here, Bibi, your food, nutri bird. Oh, small parrot.
Small parrot for you.
For you, Bibi.
For you.